Try flip it.
It's like a tiny dot on the video. So
Make it backwards. Fly it down. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Getting better, huh?
yeah.
Coming down now.
Wiggling. Ah, you can kill us.
Oh gosh. Not bad.
Hi, baby. You know, I have a bigger one. I'm gonna buy a gasoline one, Daniela.
This is battery.
Yeah, this is electric. But I'm gonna buy the gasoline one.
Aren't those bigger?
Yeah. No, you never see the big one in my room. It's bigger than. It's about like over here, from here to here.
Holy
Yeah,
crap.
that one big one.
And you built it.
Yeah. Come on. Also find the T-Rex, and then you can post it on Facebook.
Facebook. Oh, you say YouTube. I
Oh,
thought
cool
Facebook.
guy.